Good morning one and all. Now in today's class we'll be studying about the fourth module. Okay, we are starting with the fourth module, that is all about the small scale industry. Now first let us understand what do you mean by a small scale industry. Then we can study the problems of small scale industry. Now small scale industry means what? Investment is less and number of workers are less or limited in a small scale industry. Now, when we compare a small scale industry to a large scale industry, in a large scale industry, number of workers are more and the investment also is more in a large scale industry. So that is all about a small scale industry. Okay. Now, nowadays there is a problem of unemployment. If this problem of unemployment has to be solved, okay, how a person can be self-employed or get employment for himself, it can be done in the form of starting of his own business or industry, that starting of his own small scale industry. Now let us understand what are the problems of small scale industry. Okay, in that first one is lack of finance. Like you already know that finance is the lifeblood of the organization. Means without finance an industry or organization cannot run. So main essential and important part is what? Requirement of funds and finance. But that much sufficient funds and finance are not available in a small scale industry. Okay, because if they want to manufacture some big products which are there or purchase some big machines and all that, that much availability or requirement of finance is not there. So there is lack of finance, means lack of funds or finance. That much available funds or money is not available with a small scale industry. But as compared to a large scale industry, finance is more or investment capital money is more in a large scale industry. The next one is raw materials. Now as you already know that raw materials are the basic requirement or basic part in order to manufacture the particular products. So suppose if one company wants to order raw materials from the other company, like imagine that a small scale industry is there, they want to order how much quantity of raw materials from a large scale industry, then that much availability of money should be there or finance essential fund should be there in order to purchase the required raw materials. The next one is machinery, equipment and method of production. Now as we are compared to a machinery, which kind of machines are required? Okay, now there may be small machines also or big machines will be there. If one company want to purchase some big machines or heavy machines from the other company, okay, then that time the investment is more. See, nowadays the technology has been advanced, some new techniques of production are coming, some new technology machines are coming. So suppose if the small scale industry, they want to order the big machines from a large scale industry. That time what happens if they want to order the big machines from a large scale industry, that much investment or capital is been required. So it is not only question of machinery but also equipment, means small equipment, tools, spare parts, okay, and the method of production. So which method of production they want to adopt? Okay. So this machinery, equipment and methods of production. Okay, the small scale industry may be facing this problem or difficulties. Okay, now we have spoken about the machinery. If small company want to order some big machines from the large scale industry, means that much they have to invest or that much availability of finance should be there. And the method of production also. Suppose if they want to hire the workers, especially the skilled workers if they want to hire, okay, and which method of production, like suppose for products which have been manufactured, doing proper advertisement, marketing facilities and all that. So for that also the money required is spent. The next one is marketing. Now the small scale industry will also face the problem of marketing facilities. Suppose like they should do proper advertisement, sales, promotional activities. What do you mean by advertising? Okay, now it is not so very easy task to do advertising. Suppose if the small scale industry has manufactured some new product which is not launched or which has not come in the market, unless and until they undertake proper promotional activities or do proper advertisement, that time what happens, people will not understand about that particular product. So they should undertake the advertising, means what all advertising tools are there, or sales promotional activities. So that will come in the marketing. Okay, how best they will do marketing about their particular products. But this problem may be faced in a small scale industry. Suppose if they want to undertake or do marketing locally, okay, it may be possible, okay, doing sales or doing door-to-door sales services and all that. But suppose if they want to do marketing nationally or international marketing, which is there, okay, or export the goods to the other country, okay, so they may be facing some difficulties in the marketing. Then competition from large scale industry. Now, when we compare a small scale industry with a large scale industry, now there is no main comparison between a small scale industry and a large scale industry, because there is a vast difference. A small scale industry investment is less, number of workers are limited, and a large scale industry investment is more and number of workers are more. So we cannot have a tough competition between a small scale and a large scale industry. Okay, so there is a much competition going on in the large scale industry. Then obsolete technology. What is the meaning of the term obsolete? Obsolete means what? Using old technology which is there. As the small scale industries are not fully developed or not fully advanced, they are using only the old technological machines, old products which are there, old methods of production and all that. Means here, if they want to adopt some new technology or new technological machine and implementing some new technique, okay, then that time what happens? They have to order that from the big companies which are there. So they are using only the old technology which has become outdated. Then infrastructure. Now there are also the problems being faced about the no proper infrastructural facilities. Okay, like whatever facilities are required within the organization, it may be proper drinking water or proper ventilation facilities. There should be proper departments in the organization. Everything should be in a good condition. So infrastructural problems also may be faced. Then skilled manpower. First of all, how the labor are being classified? Labor are being classified as what? Skilled, semi-skilled and unskilled labor. What do you mean by skilled labor? Skilled labor means these are fully skilled and fully trained. Okay, so it is very difficult to get the skilled manpower or skilled labor in a small scale industry, because what happens? They should try to pay them that much amount of salary and wages. So we cannot get a skilled manpower. And inefficient labor. The labor is also not that much efficient. Okay, so they are not getting proper workers who work for the small scale industry. So these are the problems faced by the small scale industry. Just briefly we'll understand. Small scale industry, what you need to remember, the investment is less and number of workers are limited in a small scale industry. And the problems faced by the small scale industry is lack of finance. As finance is the lifeblood of the organization. Without money or without funds, finance, the industry cannot run. So the small scale industry are facing the problem of finance. Then raw materials. If one company want to order raw materials from the other company, that much sufficient means how much quantity of raw materials they want to order or purchase. That much availability of finance or money should be available. Then machinery, equipment and methods of production. If they want to order the heavy or big machines from one company to the other company, some big companies and all that, so how they will order or place big machines, okay, and equipment, and the methods of production also. In the production process, how the how the manufacturing of the product will take place. Then marketing means there should be proper advertisement and sales promotional activities. Okay, so here also the problem being faced by the small scale industry. Then competition from large scale industry. A small scale industry is competing with a large scale industry. It is not possible. Okay. Then obsolete technology. What do you mean by obsolete? The small scale industries are using the old technological machines. Then infrastructure means whatever the infrastructure facilities are there, okay, they are not properly available. Then skilled manpower means the laborers are classified as skilled, semi-skilled and unskilled. To get the skilled manpower or skilled laborers, it may be very difficult. Then inefficient labor. The labor is also not that much efficient. Now these are the problems being faced by a small scale industry. Thank you.